Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to connect AliExpress to Shopify for dropshipping. In order to do that, you need to install special application, and the most popular one for that is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So go to your Shopify dashboard, then open App Store or Google Play and basically install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. With Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live, so change the title, change pricing, edit description, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. Finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store, and it instantly will appear as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers will automatically place the order with the AliExpress supplier, fill in your customer shipping address, and track shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by AliExpress supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.